I was just coming back from work and I got an email saying that I'm rejected. I was so furious that day. I was like, this is just not fair and it's just not working. Honestly, I was very stressed. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि that I am going into depression. There was nothing that I could think about except for the fact that I needed a job because I felt like everything just was interlinked to that one thing. Rent भरना है, job चाहिए, कुछ बाहर कभी खाने का मन कर रहा है, job चाहिए, कुछ करना है, job चाहिए. What really worked out for me was practicing a lot because even in the mock interview session, I was so bad and underconfident that I wasn't even able to answer the question, tell me about yourself. मैं TTC पे practice करती, tell me about yourself, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. Um, I mean, people probably would have thought that I'm mad or something, but
Anyway, Ritvika, congratulations. तुम्हारी स्टोरी इसलिए इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज बानी टोल्ड मी कि तुम दोनों ने पहले भी साथ काम किया हुआ है एंड आई थॉट ओके आई डिड नॉट नो दैट तो ओके व्हाई डिड यू जॉइन द कोचिंग रित्विका?
For me, it was very simple, honestly, because I had worked with Bani earlier and I had seen the results, so there was no doubt कि अगर मैं join करूँगी तो होगा नहीं होगा. There was no doubt of that sort. For me, it was like I was just thinking कि it's a lot of money, and I did not honestly want to ask my brother or my dad or my boyfriend or anyone. So I was just like too hesitant. But I think for me, it had been like about 8 months that I graduated, and so the day I joined coaching, uske ek hafte pehle or something, I had given an interview, and मेरा इंटरव्यू काफी अच्छा गया वैसे, and I thought I had the job, but I was just coming back from work and I got an email saying that I'm rejected, and I was so furious that day. I was like, this is just not fair and it's just not working. There has to be something that I'm not doing right. And for me, I have been following you guys for quite some time. मतलब मैं आपका content देख कर resume बनाती थी. I used to reach out to people and all of that, but and I used to tell my friends कि तुम लोगों को भी ये करना चाहिए and all of that stuff, but सबकी job लग गई, मेरी नहीं लगी. And that day it really hit me hard and I'm like, I'm not wasting another second. And I came back home and I immediately just like signed up for the coaching. And जब मैंने coaching में भी sign up किया, I got a mail that I'll be in the waiting list. And I immediately texted Bani saying ki I don't want to be in the waiting list. So is there any way, you could push my thing ahead and, so that I can access the coaching as soon as possible. But फिर हाँ उसके बाद I think things started working out.
Okay, good. So just for context, by the way, Ritvika had worked with Bani की पुरानी कंपनी में जहाँ पे Bani used to help people get admission in B-School applications. So Ritvika went to MIM Schulich से went to Schulich MIM करने के लिए, and then Ritvika came here. And like she said, 8 महीने हो गए थे, जॉब नहीं लग रही थी. What were you feeling, Ritvika, उस टाइम पे?
Honestly, I was very stressed. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि that I am going into depression. And there was nothing that I could think about except for the fact that I needed a job because I felt like everything just was interlinked to that one thing. Rent भरना है, job चाहिए, कुछ बाहर कभी खाने का मन कर रहा है, job चाहिए, कुछ करना है, job चाहिए. And for me, it's not just right to ask money from home or my brother or anything of that sort. So I was way too stressed, and it was not one of the best places to be in, honestly.
Yeah, but I'm very glad it worked out. Just for context, everyone, Ritvika got into customer success, and she'll be making around 62K, and she also negotiated. Negotiation के बारे में बात करेंगे बाद में. And Ritvika का long term goal है to get into project management, जो अब रित्विका कर सकती है बिकॉज अब दिमाग पे स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा, खर्चा उर्चा कहाँ से निकलना है. So this is good. What was your favorite part about the coaching?
I would say the interview guide definitely, because it's not like I was not landing interviews. Maybe it was just like a couple of interviews, but still I used to always um, mess up in the interviews. कुछ ना कुछ गलत हो ही जाता था. Probably I'm not understanding what they're asking me, या फिर मेरे पास कोई स्टोरी नहीं होती थी बोलने के लिए, या फिर आई एम जस्ट लाइक स्टैमरिंग अ लॉट. कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा गलत हो ही जाता था. एंड I think the interview guide really taught me to, um, I would say, being articulate, yeah, and not beat around the bush. I had also seen like a couple of videos where people used to be like, you need to have a story book, and फिर जब भी कोई question आता है तो just like pick up a page from that story book and say it out. I tried that, but I don't think it really used to work out. What really worked out for me was practicing a lot, because even in the mock interview session, I wasn't like, I was so bad and so underconfident that I wasn't even able to answer the question, tell me about yourself. So it took such huge toll on me. And what really helped me was, so मैं part time पे भी जाती थी, and I used to like, मैं TTC पे practice करती, tell me about yourself, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. I mean, people probably would have thought that I'm mad or something, but I just to do what I had to do. So yeah, the interview guide definitely helped. And of course, I used to reach out to people earlier on LinkedIn, but I think the machine gun method worked a miracle for me. Yeah.
Okay, cool. अब तो तुम्हारी जॉब लग गई है. How are you feeling now?
मैं पूरा एक दिन के लिए प्रोसेस नहीं कर पाई कि मेरी जॉब लग गई है. लाइक इट टुक मी वन होल डे टू इवन कम टू senses with the fact that okay, अभी मेरी जॉब लग गई है, मेरे को कुछ usually I go to part times, and my shift is usually like in the mornings. So for me to wake up at 4 in the morning and go to the job, I used to hate doing that, and I'm like, मेरे को नहीं जाना. So like for the past 1 week, I have probably had the best sleep of my life, because I don't care. Like, even if they're gonna fire me now, I don't care, because I have something in hand. So yeah.
Okay, now I understand आपने क्यों मैसेज किया था कि I've had the best sleep, because 4 बजे उठ के जाना. Wow.
Yeah, and especially like when you live in Toronto, you know how fucked up the TTC is. It's just very annoying, and वहाँ पे जाकर भी इतना annoying काम करना होता है, and the travelers are also so annoying. So it used to like really get to me, and I used to be like, I don't want to do this anymore. Every day I was like on the verge of giving up, because I thought I should just like pack my bags and go back home, क्योंकि ये तो होने वाला नहीं है. But I think one pillar of support who was there was my boyfriend. He was constantly pushing me. He was like, just don't give up. This is the last time. This is the last interview. You're gonna do it. You're gonna be there. Just he was pushing so hard constantly. So I think that support is that was one of my biggest strengths. So yeah.
Good. And घर वालों का क्या reaction था? What did your parents say?
I was able to relate with Manak, because he told that after a point, parents stopped asking about the whole job situation. मेरे घर पे भी यही हुआ था, because my mom had never probably seen me be so vulnerable. And जब भी मैं रोती थी, वो खुद भी रो देती थी. So but then she was always like, it's going to happen, you don't have to worry, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा, you just stay persistent and keep moving each day. And when I told her, she was into tears. And so what happened was, I had when I got the call, it was I think around 3-4 p.m. and I couldn't tell my parents immediately, but I did tell my brother. And my brother broke the news to them, and my mom, she immediately called me, and she मतलब उनके मुंह से hello भी नहीं निकला पहले. She just like started crying and all of that. So it was nice, and I am happy. And the best part is उनका birthday अभी आ रहा है, so I'm like, I don't have to think twice before like gifting her anything. So that is amazing.
Yes, good. Bunny, you have a question?
Oh, मेरी आंखों में आंसू आ गए हैं. And another thing is, Ritvika, I think this is the first time we have talked this much ऐसे face to face, right? Because पहले भी
Yeah.
हम interact करते थे, but that was over email and थोड़ा बहुत. So feel really good connecting with you, and I'm so happy that everything worked out for you. I have a question कि अपने लिए क्या करोगे now that this is sorted?
So honestly, you know what? जब मेरी job नहीं लगी थी, I'm like, जब मेरी job लग जाएगी तो I'm going to buy this, I'm going to buy that, and all of that. But अभी I just feel like I'm just so like grateful कि लग गई है. So I mean, I don't have to think twice before doing anything. अगर मेरे को कुछ करना होगा तो I can do that. Probably I would book my tickets back home. I really want to see my parents. So yeah, that.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you should.
तुमने अच्छा मेरे को ये बताओ, अपनी डीपी क्यों बदल लिया अभी ग्रुप में?
So the thing is, मेरे को the whole idea of coaching and मेरा bio भी मेरे को actually बदलना था. Like when I joined the coaching, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया. But eventually, I just thought that this is not like a corporate thing कि you know ऐसा होना चाहिए, or you know everything has to be picture perfect. You can just be yourself. And for me, that emoji is like whenever I'm like really happy, I always use that emoji. So it is a depiction that I am happy right now. So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a
Okay,
cute one.
interesting.
देखते ही खुशी आती है.
Yeah, and like a lot of my friends used to say that like back home, because I'm a very enthusiastic person and high on energy all the time, but I don't think I've been that ever since I've come to Canada. So I can be that version of myself again now, and yeah, so it's just me
Okay.
being all enthusiastic and happy and positive and cheerful.
No, we
Okay.
wish that ऐसे ही रहो, and you seem so bubbly. अभी excitement में आप बता रहे हो. So yes, stay like that.
Cool.
For me, I think
Ritvika,
the
yeah, go
excitement
ahead.
double हो जाएगा the day I actually land something into product management. And now that everything is like cleared, मेरे को पता है कि I should focus on upskilling. I should take up probably a few courses, and I know for a fact now that this has happened, I am confident कि product में भी लग जाएगी job.
And I have seen quite a few people, and all of them started from customer success, because Canada में directly product manager के इतने roles नहीं हैं. So you're on the
Yeah.
right track.
Good. What advice would you have for someone in the meeting going through the process?
I think just stay persistent, stay consistent with what you're doing. I know it can be really tough. मतलब जब rejection आएगा तब you will be like, I want to give up. But don't just push yourself harder, saying कि this is the one last time I'm doing it, and keep doing. Just keep doing and have faith in yourself. Have faith in the coaching. Have faith that there are jobs out there. And मेरे साथ ये हुआ है. It's not that when I reached out to people, it's like there was a job ready for me. But अगर तुम्हारा first impression अच्छा बन रहा है, then people are going to get back to you saying that there is an opening and we would like to consider you for this position, which is exactly what happened with me. Um, I did the whole machine gun part. I have sent more than 500 connection requests in a day. And it's not like all the 500 people are going to get back to you on the same day, or they're gonna come up and be like, हाँ एक offer है and एक position है अभी तुम आ जाओ. That's not gonna happen. But people are going to recognize the effort that you put, and they will remember you for the kind of impression that you leave on them. So make sure that you're leaving a good impression. Show them that you are capable of getting the job done, and that's it. Just keep doing it.
Yes.
Okay. Also, Ritvika, what advice would you have for someone who's on the fence about joining the coaching?
I would say just join because my experience with Bani, I'm not just talking about my experience in the previous company, but I have been following Bani ever since. And through Bani, I also got to know about you. So I started following you as well. And for me, it was just this blind faith that they would help. And it's not just कि मतलब तुम कोचिंग ज्वाइन कर रहे हो तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ अभी like XYZ होमवर्क है करना है जॉब लग जाएगी. It's not that. You also have to put your efforts, and you have to, अगर तुमको कोई क्वेश्चन है या फिर you think that something is still not working out, you need to troubleshoot, and you need to talk to other people. That is something that I have not done, but I feel like this whole network can be really helpful, because you never know कि तुम्हारे इंटरेस्ट एंड किसी के इंटरेस्ट मैच कर रहे हैं. सो यू गाइस कैन work together in collaboration and help each other grow. So I think just stay connected and stay very open to learn, open for any sort of criticism, feedback, constructive criticism. So yeah, I think just blindly join the coaching. That's what I would say.
Okay, cool.
Thank you so much, Ritvika, for that trust.
Yes. Also, thank you so much, Ritvika, for coming here and inspiring. I remember our mocks, जहाँ पे I told you have a long way to go and तुम्हें चीजें fix करनी है, and you were very demotivated. And now finally you are smiling, you seem happy, you have hope in your eyes, and मेरे को वो transformation देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Very good.
Thank you for all your help. And I think from the mock interviews, like I really expected our sessions to be where you're probably scolding me and shouting at me and all of that. But everybody who thinks that Ishank only shouts or scolds you, you should also see the other side of Ishank. It's just that you need to be vocal about what you are expecting, and nobody can come and tell you कि तुम्हारी strength ये है, तुम्हारी weakness ये है. You need to identify that and work upon it. So yeah.
Okay.
आपको शांग ने नहीं डांटा था रित्विका? What's the story?
So for me, I really entered the call very demotivated, and I was not able to even answer tell me about yourself, to be very honest, because I was very underconfident, and I was like मेरे से नहीं होगा, like मेरी नहीं लगेगी job, and कुछ नहीं होगा अभी इसके आगे. And at that point, when like when I reached out to Ishank and I scheduled a mock, he was like, I don't think कि आपको डांट की ज़रूरत है. You just need some nurturing, some pampering, and some love. So you give that to yourself first, and just practice a lot. That's all that I have to say for you. And I think it was that validation that I was also looking for, to be very honest, and that changed things. Like I said, I used to practice. मतलब मैं घर पे भी ऐसे अकेले अगर बैठी हुई होती हूँ तो I used to like just practice. या फिर if I'm going to the washroom, I'm spending extra time there and I'm practicing in front of the mirror. TTC mein I'm just practicing. So that is what was happening with me, and I had taken a break of 3 weeks from my part-time also. I'm like, मेरे को नहीं जाना अभी. I paid so much money. Even if I'm not getting that money in these 3 weeks, it's okay. It's going to come back to me at some point. And I had taken a vacation from my work. I started applying more. I started reaching out to people more. And Ishank se, after that conversation, I don't think I even spoke to him, because I'm like, I don't want to go back demotivated like this. Abhi, when I'm going back to Ishank, it's only going to be telling him that I got an offer. And that's exactly what happened. So, yeah.
Good. Good. Very proud of you. Very happy for your transformation. Happy to see you happy and glowing. Good job. And yes, I'm glad you could see the other side of me. Okay.
And Ritvika, since you mentioned कि ये सब कुछ बोला था, nurturing चाहिए ये वो, now I remember that call because he's just sitting in the living room, तो मेरे को कुछ ऐसे सुनाई दिया था. So kudos to you, Ishank, for doing that because काफी अच्छा था वो.
Okay, good. Yes. I'm gonna be a therapist now. No, but yes, if I see you working hard, then sure, I'll support you. Most of the times people don't work hard. That's why they don't have any result in their life. So that's when I scold to hopefully get people out of their delusion.